Hey everybody, in this video I just wanted to show how I would do some of the problems on Delta Math, or I guess this problem on Delta Math, and if there are others I'll make a different video. But this problem says the function f is graphed below. Determine the intervals on which f is increasing and decreasing. And if you look at the function, okay, looks good. And then you look down here and that looks intimidating. So take it piece by piece, okay? You are going to start by describing what's going on during segment one. So what I would do is I would look at my segment one and I would start on the left-hand side and I would follow it and notice that this segment is increasing. And it's increasing between x equals -3, where it starts, and the x value when we are on the y-axis, which is 0. So between x equals -3 and x equals 0. So to write this first answer, I'm going to say the function is increasing on the interval -3 is less than x is less than 0. Because remember, this notation here, I really would read this as x is between -3 and 0, which remember, that is what we identified as the segment where we are increasing. So our first segment is increasing. The second segment that I look at is decreasing, right? If I start on the left and I work my way down, that is a decreasing segment. So for which values of x are we decreasing? Well, we are decreasing between where x was 0 and this new x value of 4. So picking the two endpoints of segment 2, where it is decreasing, so it's decreasing between x is 0 and x is 4. So I'm going to type 0 less than x is less than 4 as the interval where we are decreasing. So coming down here, I'm going to just clear the drawings. So it's increasing on that first segment. The second segment was decreasing on the interval from 0 to 4. So 0 is less than x is less than 4. And lastly, looking at our last segment, segment 3, if I start at that point where we were at, right, on the x-axis, I will follow this graph up, telling me that this graph is increasing. And it is increasing between where x is 0 and let's see what value of x we are here at the top. Oh, that would be x is 8. Oops, why did I write x is 0? I meant to write x is 4. And I don't know why I did that. So between x is 4 and x is 8. My bad. So that is where we are increasing. So segment 2 was decreasing, and it is now increasing again on the interval from 4 to 8. So 4 is less than x, which is less than 8. So really, I am just following the segments. So segment 1 was increasing, between which two x values? -3 and 0. Pick your two endpoints, left to right, left to right, left to right, and just state whether it is increasing or decreasing. Please let me know what questions you have on this section